Hey, so we went to Target and we went through Hearth and Hand and we got some goodies. And we also went to Hobby Lobby. So I think I'm going to start off with Hobby Lobby to show you guys because just a few things that we got. So the first thing I got was this sign and it's $16, $15.99. And I thought that was really sweet. Not sure where I'm going to put this. Could be in the bathroom. We have like picture collage walls, so it could go in there. It could go in my bedroom, the baby's bedroom. I have this art piece, which I thought was really beautiful. And this was $14. The last thing that I got from Hobby Lobby was this little miniature bust. And this was $6, $5.99. So cute. So now to get into the Hearth and Hand collection. So we got this butter belt and I think this was 20 bucks. 15, 20 bucks, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's all marble, very heavy, very good quality. This is actually $15, not $20. It says it on the bottom. And we got this, I'm not sure what this is called. This is like mortar or something, mortar in a pestle or something. Anyway, it's just something like you put food in here and then you can smash it. And this is marble too. This is marble with a wooden hand. And then we got this kitchen scale. I was looking at it. I was looking online for one because I really wanted a kitchen scale. And this is 20 bucks. Everything else was like $25, $30. And when I saw this in store, I was like, well, you can't beat that price. Like, I'm already here in store, so I might as well get it. Next thing we bought was this stoneware dish. And this was $50, and we actually got it on sale. I think it was like 40% off, so that was a great deal. We actually bought it full price, and then I seen it like a week later was on sale. So we went back and got a price adjustment. I love that Target does that. I'm sure all the other stores do it as well. It's a great thing because like if you just bought it, you could always go back and get a price adjustment, so that way you don't have to feel like you lost out on the sale. That were must-haves from the fall collection was the salt and pepper grinder. I seen it on the website of the new collection, and I knew I had to have it. So when we were in the store, it was one of the first things that we grabbed. They do have a smaller one. I think these are about like $12, and the smaller one is $10. Not a big price difference, but I mean, it's so great for styling in the kitchen and also for using for your cooking. Next was the scalloped glass candle in Harvest Chestnut, and this is $30. I love that Hearth and Hand does these really big candles, and they always smell really, really good. I think last year they were $40 if I'm not mistaken, and this year it's $30. So, and it is a little bit smaller than the one from last year. And I like that once you're done burning the candle, you can keep the glass and use it as a bowl for decorating, or you can add wax back in here with a scent and make your own candle. We got these little spoon holders. These are $5 each. Love the scallop detail. I think it's so nice. It looks so beautiful. They have a lot of scallop things for this collection. Then we got 2 boxes of the tasting spoons. It'd be so great. I can just imagine all the soups that we're going to be eating this fall season. Next thing I got was this gnocchi board. And I saw like a bunch of creators. They went on like a trip to New York, and they learned how to make pasta. And one of the things that they learned how to make was gnocchi. And I thought that was so interesting, and the board that they used to make the gnocchi was so cute. So when I seen it part of the collection, I knew we had to have it. So that way we can try to make gnocchi at least once or twice. This is $8, so that's a steal. And even if we don't use it to make gnocchi, it's just a nice styling piece. Either for your coffee bar, next to your stove, it looks really nice. You can layer this with different cutting boards and it'll look really, really good. Another dishware that we got, or cookware that we got, was this cast iron pan. And this thing is heavy and I can't wait to cook with it. It's so beautiful. And I was looking at the Le Creuset dishware online yesterday, and I think that Hearth and Hand know what they're doing, because this looks very much like the Le Creuset. Obviously, this doesn't have the symbol of the Le Creuset, but it looks very similar to it, and the colorway of it looks very similar to one of the colors that they have, and it's very beautiful. So this isn't a white, it's like an off-white, and it looks really nice. Like, our wall is white, you can see the difference. The next thing we got was this baking dish, and this was so nice that, like, you put your pan in the oven and then you have somewhere to rest it. Like, if because normally where would you put it? You would put it like on the stove or something. So this is nice because it keeps it off your stove and off the countertop, so you won't burn the counter. Also got these cheese knives from Threshold. This is the Northfield cheese knives, and these are the brass color. Then we got this Dutch oven, and this was $50. This is the 5-quart, I believe. Yes, it's the 5-quart, and I'm so excited for this. I want to make sourdough bread. I had a starter, but something weird happened with it, so I just got rid of it. So I'm gonna start it again, and I'm so happy that I have this now, because then I can bake it in here and it's gonna come out perfect. So we looked all over our local Target for this cookie jar, and when we bought these, we were like, all right, we already spent enough, let's not spend any more. But if you know, you know. You never leave something that you like, because then when you go back, it's not going to be there. You can always buy it, and then if you don't like it anymore, you can take it back. So this ended up being something that we left at the store, and then when we went back, we couldn't find. So we ended up going to a different store, and we happened to find it. And this one is $20, and it's so cute. It's the perfect shape and size of a bowl. So when we were at the first Target, we bought the larger bowl, and you can see the difference in size. This one is $23. So not a big price difference. And they're not like huge difference in size, but you know, you might as well get both. This is the ramekin set, and it comes in these 3 beautiful shades. They also have bowls, but we didn't get the bowls because we thought they were going to be a little bit bigger than they were. And these ramekins, we thought were going to be a little bit bigger than they are too. But you can't beat it for $10. So you get 3 of these ramekins for $10. 3 different colors. Still looks really, really nice. Even though we thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. They are small, but it's great for the price point. We went to Aldi. Target does sell this also. But we went to Aldi and we found these napkin holders. We just have to get the napkins. But look how nice they are. And I think they were like $5. So we got 2 of them. Great price point. You can always find like really cool things at Aldi every season. So one of the last things that we got from Hearth and Hand is this measuring cup. We have the smaller one of this too. I think this is 15 and the smaller one is like 10. And this is 4 cups. All right, so that's it for this haul. Comment down below what's your favorite piece and what you're excited for this fall season. And I will see you next time. Bye.